So to factory reset your Echo Show 5, then you simply need to go to settings. So swipe down on your screen to the main menu and then hit settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down until you find device options. Tap on that. Under device options, if you scroll down, you will see the option factory reset. You want to tap on that. And then it's going to ask you to reset to factory defaults but retain smart home device connections. Now you can choose that if you're really just resetting it for yourself. But if you plan on giving it away or selling it, you want to go for the second option, which is reset to factory defaults, which will wipe away all your user data and disconnect it from your Amazon account. So tap on that, and then to confirm, just tap on reset, and that's going to begin the factory reset process of your Echo Show 5. So tap on that to finish the process. Thanks for watching. Good luck.